Hello student, today we are going to study about elections campaign. The main purpose of election is to give people a chance to choose the representative, the government and the policy they prefer. Therefore, it is necessary to have a free and open discussion about who is better representatives and whose government is better. And this chance is given by the in elections campaign. So elections campaign in India take place for the 2 weeks, starting from the declarations of the final list of the candidates contesting the elections and concluding 48 hours before the date of polling. Listen this very carefully, my dear. In India, the elections campaign is only for the 2 weeks, means only for the 14 days. Means when the final list of candidate is declared, after that election commissions give 14 days for the elections campaign, and it is concluding 48 hour before the date of polling. Next, during this campaign, candidates reach out to the voters. Political leaders hold elections meetings and rallies for informing the voters about their policies and persuading them vote for them. Means during these 14 days, candidates reach out to the voters. Political leaders, top leaders of that political parties, hold elections meeting and do the rallies and informing the voters about their policies. Means if they are going to be choose, what are their policies for the next 5 years, and then persuading the peoples through their policies to cast vote for them. Some successful slogans given by the different political parties in various elections. There are some very successful slogan which has great influence on the mind of people. They are given below. Greeby Hatao, remove poverty. In 1971 by Congress. This famous slogan given by Indira Gandhi during 1971 election of Lok Sabha election. It means that if they are coming to the government, then they are going to make the policies for the betterment of the poor people. Next, save democracy given by Janata Party in 1977. So you all know that in 1975 Indira Gandhi imposed emergency on India. So after in 1977 when there was the election of Lok Sabha, then Janata Party given one famous slogan, save democracy. Means if they are going to vote to the Janata Party, then it means you are going to save democracy. Land to tiller. Tiller means the peoples, those who work as a laborer on other field. The left front in the West Bengal Assembly in 1977. This slogan was given by the left front Communist Party in the West Bengal. Means at that time in Bengal there was a zamindari system, so most of the lands lies in the zamindar peoples and the other peoples are doing labor on the other field. So this was given. This was a slogan was given by the left front, and most of the tillers mean give vote to the West Bengal, and West Bengal means continuously a ruling party for approximately 25 years, 25 to 30 years. Another elections campaigns means election slogans are there. Protect the self-respect. This was given by the Telugu's party in Andhra Pradesh Assembly in 1983. Another important means there are many other important slogans are there. If you wanted to write, then you can write, my dear. Another according to our elections law, no party or candidate can. Means no party or candidates cannot be do these things. So number one, bribe or threaten voters. When during the elections campaign, no political party or leader can bribe or threaten the voters to give vote to me or particular political parties. Appeal to them in the name of the caste or religions means no leader or candidates can appeal the voter to give vote in the name of caste or religion. Use government resources for elections campaign. When there was elections campaign means a lot of resources need to means for showing their for telling their policies to the people. So no peoples can use the government resources during the elections campaign. So another important that in elections campaign spent more than 25 lakh in constituency for the Lok Sabha election, and for constituency of assembly elections only 10 lakh rupees can be spent a candidate. But in new, I think that in a new knowledge it may be means 70 to 80 lakh rupees means a candidate can spend for the Lok Sabha elections, and for the assembly elections it may he may be spend approximate more than 20 to 25 lakh rupees for the elections campaign. Another very important code of conduct: no party or candidate cannot no party or candidates can use any party place of worship of elections propaganda. Means no place worship means temples, mosques, and others means religious places cannot be used for the elections propaganda. Use government vehicles, aircraft, and the officials for elections. I have already discussed this. Once elections are announced, the stones decisions or make any promises of providing the public facilities not allowed. Means if once elections are declared, no candidate, no political party can means announce any big and take any stone means on any work. So this is related to the elections campaign. Thank you, my dear.